What's up guys, Hamza here today with you, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my creative process on how to design a logo. And this video is for everybody, not for only mobile designers, because creative process is needed by everyone who designs a logo or designs anything in general. So you guys should stick to this video, and I'm going to be showing you my creative process, and I think you will be able to gain something out of this video. Thank you. Let's get into the video. So what I'm basically doing here is just writing out the brief and the name of the company or the logo we are going to the name of the logo we are going to design. This is just the part where I pour down my heart about the logo, the brief and everything. So enjoy. So at this point, I'm just basically matching different elements together, just to come up with ideas for the sketches, because you see I'm going to sketch once I'm done matching these words together and getting the ideas, then the sketch comes in. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you would like me to make a video on how I designed the whole logo, kindly let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share. Thank you. Peace out.